Hello, my name is Sid from Anchor 4x4. Today we've got a 74 plate KGM Musso in white. It's got a soft open on the door on the back and an automatic roller with lighting as well. It's a double cab, so you've got 3 seats in the back, heated on each side. And 2 heated and vented seats in the front. You've also got a heated steering wheel, reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors, power folding wing mirrors, automatic headlights and wipers. For any more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.